Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rar, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your bones from across the floor. Noses and Nicky Wicky till they were too big, hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to step me. See me like my little baby, turn off for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch, you think you can help me? Only 7 inches long, ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this first shit, you don't see it coming.